Are you trying to download TinyTask from an official website but running into errors? Then don't worry. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get it working using two authentic methods. Before proceeding, please make sure you have liked and subscribed ITPK. Just open up another tab and type download TinyTask from SourceForge website. Here, open the first link. Now, just go ahead and click on download button. Your download will start shortly, and my tiny task is getting downloaded and I am downloading it to my download folder. Now, if you face any problem with downloading, just click on Problems Downloading. Here you will find please use this direct link or try another mirror. To download Tiny Task, click on direct link and you will get option to download Tiny Task to your download folder. Now let's go ahead and open another tab and type download TinyTask from Softonic. Just go ahead and open the first link Google give you, scroll little down and click on free download. If you got any ad, just go ahead and skip or close that ad and then again scroll down and click on free download to download the latest version of TinyTask. And you can see here your download has started. It's giving me to download it into my computer. Let me save it, and if you face any problem in downloading TinyTask on this website as well, just go ahead and click on Relaunch Download. Let's go ahead and verify the versions of TinyTask, and here you could see we have the latest version for both of TinyTask files that we have downloaded from the websites. Please note that some antivirus programs may show warnings. That's because this tiny task will interact with your keyboard and mouse. But it's not harmful. It's just false positive. Many users and forums confirms it's clean. So if the official download isn't working, now you know two safe ways to download Tiny Task on PC. All useful links will be available in the video description. So if this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.